Okay guys, so hopefully I'm gonna actually be recording videos later on the board in the classroom, but right now I am at home. So here we go. This is the worksheet that you actually should be doing in class, so on Sunday, but let's go ahead and just get started. I wrote out some vocabulary words here. We need to talk about what all these things are, and you really need to memorize these things, okay? So the first one, and most important one, is called coordinate plane, okay? And what the coordinate plane is this whole entire thing right here, okay? So it's just the plane that you graph individual ordered pairs on, okay? This whole thing. So the coordinate plane is this whole entire thing. It's the whole thing. Okay, that is all the coordinate plane. Now, this is important stuff right here too. The x-axis is the line right here that's going left and right, okay? And typically you see like a little x here. So this is the x-axis. So you could say the line going left and right, and it passes through the origin, okay? I'll get to that in a second. Well, let's just go ahead and do it now. Here's the origin. The origin is in the very center of a graph, okay? It's where your x-axis and your y-axis, the y-axis goes up and down, okay? So I'll go ahead and write this one. Y-axis, okay? So y-axis is your vertical line, always the y-axis is up and down, always the x-axis is left and right. The origin is always in the middle, and the location of the origin is always 0, 0, okay? So notice 1, 0, negative 1. So here's 0, 1, 0, negative 1, 0. So 0, 0, that's always the origin, okay? An ordered pair, so if you look down here, these are all ordered pairs, okay? Now, an ordered pair always has a parentheses, it has a number, a comma, a number, and then it closes the parentheses, okay? I know that's a big word, but that's the word. That's called a parentheses, okay? So right here you have a parentheses, and notice it always has an x, comma, y. So here's an x, and there's a y. So let's go ahead and just start plotting some of these, graphing some of these ordered pairs on this coordinate plane, okay? So this is my x, and that's my y. So x is negative 3. So this is how you plot an ordered pair. You start at the origin. So the x is negative 3. So remember, this is the x-axis right here. Okay? So x is negative 3. So first go left, negative 3. 1, 2, there's negative 3 on the x, right? You can see the negative 3. And then y is positive 1. So remember, the y-axis goes up and down. So after I go left 3, 1, 2, 3, then I go up 1 because y is 1. So left, 1, 2, 3, up 1. That's this point. So this point is actually at right here, negative 3, 1. Okay, next one, negative 2, 0. So again, start at the origin. It says negative 2. Remember, negative 2 is your x and your y is 0. So negative 2, 1, 2, and then up and down, 0. So there's negative 2, 0. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 1. So x first, negative 2, 1, 2, and then negative 1 for the y. Negative 1. Negative 3, negative 2. So at the origin, negative 1, 2, 3, negative 2, 1, 2. Negative 5, negative 2. Start at the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Negative 6, negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 1. Negative 6, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then up and down, 0. Negative 5, negative 1. Negative 5, positive 1. That's tricky, right? It's positive 1. So negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, positive 1. And then negative 3, negative 3, positive 1. Negative 3, 1, 2, 3, positive 1. So we're back to a point. So you should be trying to actually practice this. So like it says, there's a picture hidden in this grid. Connect the points and lines to reveal it. So start off by taking all of those points that you just put on here. Let's go ahead and connect them. Notice that was line 1. Now we're on to line 2, okay? So there's 1. Line 2, negative 6, negative 6. You know what? I'm gonna skip this line. You guys go ahead and do it. I just wanna, the reason I'm skipping it is because I wanna do some things with positives, like this one. Okay, I'm gonna do line 3. Okay, line 3, 9, negative 2. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, negative 1, 2. So 9, negative 2, bring them together. There it is, okay? That's that one. 8, negative 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. 8, negative 2. So again, look, here's 8, here's negative 2. Bring them together, they meet right there. 7, 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. Bring them together. 6, 3, 6, there's 3, bring them together right there. 4, 5, so 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna, we're starting to get a lot of points, so I'm gonna start connecting them right now actually. So there's 1, there's 1, there's 1. Connecting them. So we did 4, 5, 1, 6, 1. And then you can see the 6. So 1 and 6 come together right here. Okay. 1, 6, negative 4, 6. Negative 4, 6. Okay. That is line 4 and it's done now, or that was not line 3. Now I'm going to go back and let's go ahead and do line 2. I skipped these a second ago. So I'm going to finish these up and then I'm going to be done. Okay. Negative 6, negative 6. That's that one. Negative 8, negative 5. Negative 8, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So notice the negatives are going down. Okay. Negative 8, negative 5. So negative 6, negative 6, negative 8, negative 5. These two need to be connected. Negative 10, negative 5. Negative 10, negative 5. That needs to be connected. And negative 10, negative 4. Negative 10, negative 4. And that needs to be connected. Okay, so now I've done all of these. How long has it been? Okay guys, hopefully you understand enough about how to do this that you can continue doing the same one. So notice I reached the end of line 2, so I'm done with line 2. I'm done with all of these. I did all these. I've done all those. I've done all these. Let me do one more. Line 4, I'm gonna do it very quickly. Notice how I stop when I get to line 5. So 10, negative 2. 10, negative 2. 10, negative 3. 10, negative 3. Connect these. Negative 8, negative 9. Wow, this is way over here. Negative 8, negative 9. Way over here. So I need a line. Let me see if I can figure out how to do this. That was 10, negative 3. So I need to connect these two. I'm going to try my best to make a straight line. Here it goes. That goes way over there. These two need to be connected. Okay, negative 8, negative 8, negative 8, negative 8, right here. Should I keep going? Let's keep going. So that line's done. -6, -6, -6, -6. Oh, right there, okay. -6, -5, -6, -5, okay. 6, -6, -6, -5, -8, -4, -8, -4, -10, -4, -10, -4, -4, -6, -4, -6. Ooh, what? -4. Oh, see, I messed up. I messed up. -4, +6. That was a +6. I made a mistake there. See that? So that should not be there. So I finished, that was the last one. -10, -4, and then -4, +6 is way up here. So this needs to be going here. That's what that's showing. Okay. -4, 7, -4, 7, -3, 8, -3, 8, 2, 8, 2, 8, 6, 6, 6, 6, 8, 4, 8, 4, 9, 2, 9, 2, 10, 0, 10, 0, 10, -2. I wonder if you guys see what this is looking like now. -8, -8. Ooh, that's way over here. Where's that? That one. What does that look like to you guys? -8. Oh, I did that one. -8, -8, -6, -6. -8, -6, -6 right there. Ooh. Starting to look like pizza. Okay, I'm gonna stop here on this video because I don't want it to be too long because I'm just repeating the same stuff over and over and over. So remember, origin, there. Ordered pair, your X is first, then your Y. So you need to go on the X axis first, then you do the Y axis. So for example, if I wanted to do 4, 1, right 4, up 1. That's 4, 1. Okay, Y axis is the up and down, X axis is the left and right. The whole thing is called a coordinate plane, okay? So you guys go ahead and finish all of these up and get some practice on graphing ordered pairs. All of these are called ordered pairs, all of them, okay? And it will look more and more like a pizza as you finish it up.